Hey everyone, welcome to this video, and today I will walk through a limited time for free learning path from Maven Analytics that gives you a hands-on Python data science training, live export sessions and portfolio projects you can show to your employers. And you can see these courses are only free from 16 March to 22nd March 2026, and this contains like free learning path with 5 courses and also contains the expert led workshops. So during this time period, what you will get, like you will get 5 courses. If you click on the toggle button, you can see what are the courses available during this time period, like data science in Python, data preparation and EDA, and regression, classification, unsupervised learning, and natural language processing. Simultaneously, you will also get like 4 guided projects to complete within this free trial period. And what are the skill sets you will get by completing these courses and guided projects are like artificial intelligence, data science, and machine learning. Also, you will get 2 chance like to interact with expert led learning sessions where you will get a chance to interact with this industry certified and hands-on experienced experts, where you can ask your doubts and solve your issues during these sessions. And by participation is very much easy, like to sign up your or log in your Maven Analytics account if you have existing account, and you don't need to purchase or something like that. Also, no credit card or any billing information is required to get to access these courses. And by click on the sign up free button, you will register for these courses, and I will provide the link on the description box of this video where you can check out for these courses. And on top of that, how to make this most of this freebie, like by step checklist you can create, like pick one course and one project at the end to end, and you also document your work in a short portfolio notebook or GitHub repository. And also you need to attend at least one live sessions and take notes you can quote in your interviews. And by completing these courses you will get free certificate. I have already completed some type of courses by taking these free opportunities previously from Maven Analytics, and these courses are very much industry standard and easy to understandable and provided by the beginners friendly manner. So I am showcasing you my learning paths. You can see I have already completed these learning paths and also completed some sort of courses provided by them. You can see I have already completed, and after completed you will also get a certificate like this, which I have already completed on 15 January this year. And you can showcase these certifications by click on the download button or by sharing with your email, and you can also share to your professional networks like LinkedIn and other professional networks. And by click on this add to my LinkedIn profile, you can also add this certificate in your profile section. And by doing that, you can also get a chance to get notified and getting impressed by hiring managers and boost your profile for further chance to get a better visibility to employers. So the free access is not only valuable if you actually cross the finish line. Don't just watch the video, complete the 4 guided projects, and few months no one will be care that the courses was free, but the hiring managers will care that you can build a classification model to predict customer churn or predict vehicles or those certificates fuel efficiency. But adding them on portfolio and LinkedIn and show the world you have the job ready skills to handle regression NLP and supervised planning. So that's all about today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and keep learning and keep growing.